The future of the U.S. Air Force is the Next Generation Air Dominance Program, or NGAD. Aimed at replacing the aging fleet of F-22 Raptors, this upcoming sixth-generation fighter will have all the latest and greatest technology. As the NGAD explains, involves the use of unmanned aerial vehicles to fly alongside piloted jets. In fact, the Air Force plans to develop at least 1,000 collaborative combat aircraft (CCA). NGAD fighter jets will be very expensive. To cut costs without reducing capabilities, the Air Force will field much cheaper CCAs as part of the program. These combat UAVs will function as flying drones alongside sixth-generation jets. This highly autonomous fighter aircraft will be equipped with a wide variety of sensors, weapons, and other tactical systems. They will also be able to carry out a wide range of missions, including surveillance, intelligence gathering, electronic warfare, and more. The NGAD fighter jet is expected to be operational by the 2030s and become the anchor of the Air Force's air strategy. The new program will combine 5 key technologies: stealth technology, propulsion, advanced weapons, thermal management, and digital design. Exact details and specifications surrounding NGAD have not been released, but the program is expected to surpass the capabilities of fifth-generation predecessors, including the F-35 Lightning II. The NGAD jet will be powered by advanced engines developed through the Next Generation Adaptive Propulsion Program. Major manufacturers including Pratt & Whitney, Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, Boeing, and General Electric were initially awarded contracts for the program in 2022. The core of NGAD is the deployment of at least 1,000 unmanned collaborative combat aircraft (CCA), designed to operate as drone wingmen alongside piloted jets. These drones will increase capabilities, reduce costs, and perform a variety of missions, including surveillance and electronic warfare. While the NGAD jets will feature advanced stealth, propulsion, and digital design, the CCA will ensure the Air Force maintains air superiority amid rising global tensions and competition from countries like China and Russia. While the concept of incorporating CCA into the Air Force's NGAD program is unique to the U.S. military, other countries are working to develop similar systems as part of their own next-generation fighter programs. Moscow and Beijing are reportedly racing to introduce their own NGAD prototypes, which would compete with the U.S. Air Force program at a later date. As global tensions continue to rise, the timely introduction of NGAD and CCA fighter jets will become increasingly important for the Air Force in its efforts to maintain some air dominance over its adversaries. In conclusion, the NGAD program is a strategic investment that will determine the future of the U.S. Air Force in facing global challenges. By combining the most advanced and innovative technologies, NGAD not only aims to replace the aging fleet of F-22 Raptors, but also to surpass all existing fifth-generation fighter capabilities, including the F-35 Lightning II. The deployment of 1,000 unmanned collaborative combat aircraft (CCA) will provide the Air Force with greater operational flexibility and capabilities while keeping costs under control. The introduction of NGAD and CCA fighter jets will be key in maintaining United States air superiority amidst increasing geopolitical tensions. With competition from countries like China and Russia also developing next-generation fighter programs, NGAD will be an important milestone in ensuring the U.S. Air Force remains at the forefront of military technology and combat tactics.